Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best highest torque cordless impact wrench you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many highest torque cordless impact wrench and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each highest torque cordless impact wrench, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying the highest torque cordless impact wrench. Start by checking the torque rating because it determines the tool's power for tough jobs. Next, look at the battery voltage and capacity, since higher voltage means stronger performance and longer runtime. Consider the motor type, where brushless motors offer more efficiency and durability. Weight and grip comfort are also important for reducing fatigue during long tasks. Examine the speed control options, as variable speeds provide better precision and control. Don't forget to check the build quality and materials for lasting strength. Evaluate the brand reputation and warranty to ensure reliable customer support. Lastly, make sure it includes features like LED lights and safety locks for convenience and protection. Choosing wisely ensures high performance and long-lasting value. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tool reviews.